Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make keto meringue. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 3 large egg whites, which are crucial for that airy texture. For sweetness, use 1/2 cup of powdered erythritol or allulose. A 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar will stabilize the whites, and a tiny pinch of salt helps balance the taste. Ensure everything is ready before you begin whipping. Now, let's get whipping. Make sure your mixing bowl and whisk are impeccably clean and grease-free. This is vital for success. Begin whipping your egg whites on medium speed until they turn foamy. Then, slowly add your chosen sugar substitute, 1 tablespoon at a time, while continuing to whip. Keep going until you achieve beautiful, stiff, and glossy peaks. With your meringue base ready, it's time to add some personality. Gently fold in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for a classic taste, or experiment with other extracts like almond. If you desire, carefully incorporate a few drops of food coloring. Then, transfer the mixture to a piping bag fitted with your favorite tip, perhaps a star tip, and pipe small, uniform meringues onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. The final step is baking and proper storage. Preheat your oven to a low 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake your meringues for 1 to 2 hours, or until they are completely dry and crisp. Once baked, turn off the oven and let them cool completely inside. This prevents cracking. Store your perfectly crisp keto meringues in an airtight container at room temperature for optimal freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.